Hello students, this is teacher Pogi and welcome to Matayom 3 English class. So today we are just going to continue our lesson last time. So we are still on unit 8. So let us review. So last time we discussed about adjective. And you learned that adjective describes the person, place, or thing. Or in Thai. Good. Now, we also discussed about making comparison. So, let's try if you can still remember. So, I have here a picture of mouse and elephant. So, how can you make comparison with these two? Okay, you can say small, big. Or you can say the elephant is bigger than the mouse. Or the mouse is smaller than the elephant. Another. So what adjective can you use to compare these two? David and John. Very good. You can say short or shorter, tall or taller, small, smaller, or big, bigger. So you can say John is taller than David, or David is shorter than John, or John is bigger than David, or David is smaller than John. Very good. For today's vocabulary, so let us read these words. More beautiful, or in Thai. Very good. Next, more colorful. In Thai. Longer. In Thai. Prettier. In Thai. More attractive. In Thai. Stronger. In Thai. Better. In Thai. Faster. In Thai. Okay, for today's lesson, we are going to listen about the animal facts. Are you ready? Okay, so let's listen.
Unit 8. The more, the better. Pages 56 and 57. New language. Guess the answer to the questions. Discuss with a partner. Animal facts. Which is more beautiful? Which is more beautiful, a male or female bird? Male birds are usually more beautiful than females. The males are often more colorful. For example, the male golden pheasant from central China has longer and prettier feathers than the female, and it is much more attractive.
Okay, class, I hope you are having your book so that you can look into it. Okay, next.
Which one is stronger? Which is stronger, an elephant or an ant? Elephants can carry tree trunks, and they move other heavy loads. But in proportion to its size, an ant is stronger than an elephant. Ants can pull 50 times their own weight. That's the same as a person pulling a truck with his or her teeth. Which can see better? Which can see better, eagles or bats? Eagles have better eyesight than most birds. Their eyes have the power of telescopes. From the sky, they can see a tiny worm in the grass. Bats have poor sight, but they use their ultrasonic echolocation to catch their food and find their way around in the dark.
Next. So, students, please listen carefully, and then afterwards you are going to answer some questions.
Which which can jump better? Red kangaroos are better jumpers than any other mammal. They can reach speeds over 56 kilometers an hour and jump 8 meters in a single leap. However, the flea is usually considered the best jumper in the world. Compared to body size, fleas can jump 220 times their own body length and 150 times their own body height. It's like a person jumping nearly 400 meters in distance while jumping over a 250-meter high building. Which is faster? Which is faster, an ostrich or a horse? The ostrich is a large bird. It weighs up to 136 kilograms and is about 2.4 meters tall. Ostriches can't fly, but they can run very fast, almost 65 kilometers an hour. That's faster than a racehorse.
Okay, that's it. Now, so let's try to practice. So I have here some questions about what have you heard. For question number 1, so just answer true or false. For number 1, blank, male birds are more attractive than females. Just write true or false. For number 2, ants are stronger than elephants. True or false. For number 3, bats can see better than eagles. True or false. And number 4, red kangaroos can jump better than any other mammals. True or false. Now you can pause the video and answer. Okay, let's proceed. For number 1, what's your answer? Okay, it's true. For number 2, true. For number 3, false. For number 4, true. Okay, I hope you got it all. Okay, for our language structure, I have here student 1. So now you are going to compare these two pictures about monkey and bat. So student 1 can answer or can say which is faster. Student 2 can answer bat is faster than monkey. And student 1 can say yes, I agree, or I don't agree. I think monkey is faster than the bat. So a simple conversation. Again, student 1 and then answered by student 2 and then answered by student 1. Understand? Good. Now let's try. Let's practice. Now we will use bigger to compare bat and bear. Now student 1, you can say which is bigger. Student 2 can answer. Good. The bear is bigger than the bat. Student 1 can say, yes, I agree. Next, now we are going to use smaller. Elephant and bear. Student 1, which is smaller? Student 2 can answer. The elephant is smaller than the bear. Student 1 can say, I don't agree. I think the bear is smaller than the elephant. Next, now we are going to use faster. Crocodile and dolphin. Student 1 can say, which is faster? And then student 2 can answer, the dolphin is faster than the crocodile. Then student 1 can say, yes, I agree. Next, slower. zebra and tiger. Now, student 1 can say, which is slower? Student 2 can say, the tiger is slower than the zebra. Or the student 1 can say, I don't agree. I think the zebra is slower than the tiger. Now, let's answer your worksheet. So you can pause the video and get your worksheet and then answer. So this is all about comparatives. So just fill in the blanks below to complete the sentences. Study the above boxes. For number 1, for example, so I, tall, blank my sister. So you can say I am taller than my sister. Okay, enjoy answering. And please, after you answered all the worksheet, please collect and give it to Teacher Pogi next time. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.